Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today we are going to be doing some close-up swatches on this Abh Subculture palette, and I'll also show you the dupe that I've got from Makeup Revolution. So yeah, we're just going to get into it because I'm doing this just before work. So let me take my jacket off. Oh, it's so cold. I've wanted this palette for years, guys, absolutely years, and I know I know there's been a lot of complaints with the formula and things like that. A lot of people haven't liked it compared to other Abh palettes, but I just thought I would give it a go. I paid £25 and according to this it should be 43, which sounds about right for an Abh palette. So you can see it's untouched, it looks absolutely amazing. Maybe it's this shade. I've said in one of my recent videos, something reminds me of Lime Chrome. Maybe it's that shade that does from the Natasha Denona Gold palette. So there's a shade in the Natasha Denona palette called Lime Chrome, and that reminds me of it, but I won't know until I've swatched it. So first of all we've got Cube. Ooh, it's like a white to pink duochrome. Oh, that's nice. Already we're on to a winner, so that's the shade there. I'll turn the light down at the end. Then we've got Dawn, which is a really nice transition shade. So that's that one. I might not show the Revolution one. I might just do like a comparison. Is it a dupe? So then we've got like a khaki green Destiny shade. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. In a separate video we'll do, is it a dupe video? Maybe put it on the eyes and test it. So Destiny's there. Then we've got a shimmer called Adorn, which looks really nice. Ooh, look at that, guys. That's beautiful. That is stunning. Right, so far on the top row there's only 2 shimmers and only 3 in the entire palette. That's not really me. I like more shimmer to mattes. Then we've got All Star, which is like a cranberry shade. Let's say cranberry maroon. What I can tell you is they're swatching darker than they look in the palette, the mattes. So that's Adorn. No, All Star. Then we have Mercury. Now it looks like a grey top, but when you swatch it, it just looks brown. That's that one there. Then we have Axis, which is a teal, which also looks darker. But it's not swatching that well. I wonder if it's my hands are wet. No, I think it's the shadow. I think this is why people didn't like it. Right, so that's Axis. And that one there. See how it's not swatching properly and it's swatching patchy. The next one is Roxy, which is that beautiful like orange peach. At least if I try it and I don't like it, I will have tried it and I won't get FOMO anymore, because I always like fear of missing out. It might be getting decluttered by this time next year. Then we have Electric. Yeah, that's got to be a dupe of the Natasha Denona Lime Chrome. I think it is, you know. I'll be doing a swatch of that as well. It is slightly more pigmented, but yeah, that looks like it. That reminds me of it actually. Then we have Fudge, which is this really dark brown. Oh, that's pigmented. Then we have New Wave, which is like a mustard yellow. Then we have Untamed, which is a green. That's more of a green khaki, whereas the other one was more teal. Now this one swatches a lot better than the teal shade. Although I like all the shimmers in the palette, you've literally only got two. So you've got Adorn and you've got Electric. The other one is more of an inner corner highlight, and I don't know if I like that. So that is my first impression. Obviously I've not tried the eyeshadow palette yet, but when I do, we can have a look together. But this is what I'm thinking at the moment. The next one is called Edge, which is another yellow. Actually, I would say that's more the mustard shade. That's that one there. And then the last shade in this palette is called Rowdy, which looks like it's purple. Yeah, looks like a purple black shade. No, it's actually black. It looked like it had a bit of purple in it. So that's the whole shebang of the palette. It's beautiful, don't get me wrong guys. Let me know your thoughts on it. Let me know if you've got it in your collection. Let me know if you had it in your collection but decluttered it. This palette is really hard to get now, isn't it? It's really hard. The only place that you can actually get it from is TK Maxx. So I am looking forward to using it. At the moment there is a poll on my YouTube account. I put a poll on my community tab which palette you would like to see me use first, whether that's the Jackie Aina palette by ABH or the Subculture by ABH, and the Jackie Aina one is winning so far with 67% of the votes. So if you do want to see this one first, then you'll need to go and vote. I would like to take the time to thank you all for voting on my community tab. It really does mean a lot to me and I love interacting with you guys there. Now if you're not aware guys, there is a current competition on my channel just because I want to give something back. I've recently hit 500 subscribers. We're on more than that at the minute, but I've recently hit 500 and I always said that when we got to 500 subscribers on the channel, I'd like to give something back to you guys and do an international giveaway. I put an international giveaway on the channel for a Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk palette. It's really nice. I wouldn't give you something that wasn't. I've got the exact same palette and I did use it, I think, for 3 days. That's up on the channel if you wanted to go and check it out before you entered the giveaway. But if you do want to enter, please let me know what your favourite palette is, and also let me know if you do want to enter. Otherwise, because what I'm going to do is I'm only going to enter the people that say, yeah, please enter me, because I don't know who specifically wants to enter, and Pretty Random will choose out the winner in a few weeks. Also, if you can go and follow me on Instagram, because what I'll be doing is I'll be messaging the winner on Instagram. Anyway, this is the Subculture palette. These are the swatches. Let's turn the light down a little bit. Right, you can see them better now. That's what they look like. Look at this duochrome here, and this one is absolutely beautiful. Just reminds me so much of the Natasha Denona Gold Lime Chrome shade, and the reason why it reminds me of that, because I absolutely love that shade out of that Natasha Denona Gold palette, and that's why I wanted it. And was so sad when I thought that I couldn't actually have that palette. And then Beauty Dreams by Naomi was lovely enough to send it to me. and it looks like this is kind of a backup shade to that lime chrome shade. So yeah, these are the swatches. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.